Amigas, today we're making a s'mores crunch wrap. Are you guys ready to make them?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are so good. It's a perfect little dessert for you and your family. Let's make them. Jayla, and this is
Jace.
First, we're gonna start off with our big old tortilla. I'm using the burrito grande tortilla just so we're able to close up our crunch wrap really well. Did you guys wash your hands? Go wash your hands, hurry up. First, for this crunch wrap, we're going to add our chocolate. Amigas, now we're going to place the chocolate right in the middle of the tortilla. Now, when we make a s'mores, what's next? We want to put the cookie in the middle, amigas. That way when we put the crunch wrap on the griddle, our chocolate melts, and then on the other side, our marshmallow melts. Perfect, good job. What do you guys think is next?
Marshmallows.
Our marshmallows! Grab the marshmallows, Papa. How did you get up there, huh? She's crazy. Now we can grab a small bunch of marshmallows, amigas, and pour them onto the crunch wrap. Dang, oh my God! Hey, oh, he's better. Now for the final touch, we're going to add la lechera. Just a little drizzle is perfect. Ooh, that looks good, guys. I'm gonna close it up for them. So I'm gonna close it. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot how to roll up a crunch wrap. Nope, that's not how you do it. It'll be a rectangle crunch wrap. Woo! This looks good.
It does look good.
That's perfect.
She missed.
Sorry. Woohoo! Now we can add these to the griddle, amigas. We're going to cook them on the griddle with a little bit of butter. Chef's kiss.
Can we get a chef's kiss?
Ah! On the griddle, we're going to add a little bit of butter. Scoop some butter out and put it on the griddle. Lay it right over the butter, Papa. But if you look at the griddle, what do we have it set to? Low. So we have it on low because we don't want these to burn. Jayla has her crunch wrap already, Mommy. Come here. Come here.
She's ready. She can't wait.
Can you just put it higher so they can cook faster?
Well, we don't want to put it too high, Puppy, because we want to make sure that our chocolate and our marshmallow melts. Does that make sense? So if it's on low, it gives it a little more time to melt.
Hey, you little snack thief.
Stop eating my marshmallow.
Yeah. And now it's time to flip our wrap.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's nice. We could add a little piece of chocolate right on top.
There you go, baby.
To finish things off, amigas, we're going to add a little bit of la lechera right over the wraps. Before we try them, I'm gonna cut them in half.
Let's hear the crunch.
Oh yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Cheers, cheers. Is it good, honey? Yeah?
That's delicious.
Amigas, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye. Love you guys.